Good evening, everyone. As I promised you, I prepared a very little tutorial about the photography and edit. I use Lightroom for it, and it's very simple to use, even when you're completely beginner in photo edit. It's very easy to use. You have on the side um, all the things that you can change, like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. You can add some white or some black spots. Let's do it very quickly. Adding some more contrast to bring it more alive, and you really can bring the focus onto the detail into it. Adding some more highlights, depending always how much light you already have in your photography. Adding some shadows, let's see, sum it up a little bit. The whites I have enough because I really want to focus on this delicious glass that you can see here. Bring a little bit more darkness inside, and what I really love to play with is the color, temperature, and the tint. Basically, I always use the temperature, and I get it a little bit into the blue tone to make it more fresh, and then rise a little bit the tint so that the color is really coming out from the picture. With the vibrance, you can either take away the color or add some more tint to it. It's very nice. And also the clarity, you can make it even more blurry-ish, as you can see, or add some more clarity, depending also on the picture. If it is a picture with a person on it and you want to have, for example, the hair and the eyes really strong, then you can rise it up much more. And finally, changing a little bit the haze, so makes the background a little bit darker. And with the vignette, you can change the outer surroundings, even make it more darker so you have much more focus on the center point, or to make it much brighter. In this case, I would like to have it like this. And that's basically it. So if you have already very big difference, it's very quick to edit, and you can see the big difference before and after. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any other questions about the photography, about the camera or Lightroom, just send me a message and I will help you out. Enjoy your Sunday and see you soon.